AI agents are not just tools, they're revolutionizing the way we approach software development. With advancements in artificial intelligence, these agents can now take prompts and translate them into fully functional projects, automating processes that used to require hours or even days of manual effort. Let's explore how you can leverage AI agents, like Windsurf, to bring your software ideas to life with just a few lines of instruction. At their core, AI coding agents like Windsurf are designed to handle every stage of the software development lifecycle. With a simple prompt, you can instruct the AI to create a project management app, build a calculator with custom themes, or design a library for handling financial data. The AI interprets your request and starts generating the necessary code. No need to manually research and install libraries. Windsurf and similar tools automatically identify, download, and integrate the best libraries for your project. For instance, if your prompt involves image processing, it might fetch and configure libraries like OpenCV or Pillow. AI agents can connect to repositories like GitHub. They can clone repositories, contribute updates, resolve merge conflicts, and even commit your code with detailed commit messages. Whether you're building a web app, mobile app, or desktop software, the AI can handle compilation and deployment. It generates executable files, compiles your code for different platforms, and even sets up CI/CD pipelines for automated testing and deployment. Here's how AI agents are pushing the boundaries of software development. You can prompt the AI to incorporate licensing mechanisms such as trial periods, subscription models, or one-time payments. For example, add a 14-day free trial with a $10 per month subscription plan. The agent will generate and integrate the relevant code. With a description like design a clean dashboard with analytics widgets, the AI can generate user interfaces that match your specifications, complete with responsive design. While writing code, the AI continuously scans for potential issues and suggests optimizations. This reduces the chances of bugs and ensures efficient code. Want your app in Python, JavaScript, or even compiled languages like C++? The AI can adapt the code to your preferred language and ensure compatibility across platforms. Here are some real-world scenarios where AI agents can transform ideas into reality. Prompt: create a to-do list app with drag-and-drop functionality and cloud sync. Result: the AI generates code for the app, integrates a cloud storage API like Firebase, and compiles it for Android and iOS platforms. Prompt: build a website that calculates mortgage payments with sliders for loan amount and interest rate. Result: the AI sets up a front-end using frameworks like React or Angular, integrates back-end logic in Node.js or Python, and deploys it to a hosting service. Prompt: add licensing to a desktop app with activation codes and subscription renewal reminders. Result: the AI incorporates licensing packages and designs mechanisms for handling renewals and trial periods. Why should you use AI agents for coding? Speed: development cycles are significantly reduced. Accessibility: even those with minimal coding knowledge can build complex projects. Scalability: the AI can handle everything from prototyping to production. Cost-effectiveness: reduces the need for large development teams, saving costs without compromising quality. To harness the full potential of AI coding agents like Windsurf, all you need is a clear idea and well-structured prompts. Here are some tips for writing effective prompts. Be specific about what you want. Example: create a chatbot that answers FAQs for an e-commerce website and integrates with WhatsApp. Define features and functionalities. Example: build a fitness app with workout tracking, calorie counters, and a dark mode. Include deployment details if applicable. Example: deploy the app on AWS with a secure login system. AI agents are evolving rapidly, and the future looks even more promising. Soon, we might see agents that collaborate on large-scale projects autonomously, learn and adapt to new programming languages instantly, and provide real-time mentorship, guiding developers step by step. With tools like Windsurf, the boundaries of software development are expanding. The only limit now is your imagination. So, whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting out, give AI coding agents a try and transform your ideas into reality with just a prompt. Start building the future today with AI. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to Tekstreetz for more tech insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest AI tools and tech trends. Drop a comment below and let us know how you're planning to use AI in your next project.